How to fix reduce screen brightness and auto lock in iPhone 16e. So let's start the video. First of all, open settings. In settings, scroll down and click on display and brightness. After clicking on display and brightness, then here you can reduce your brightness. And here you can turn on or off your true tone button. It will change your screen color. After that, scroll down, and if you want to fix your auto lock screen, then simply click on auto lock, and here you can set your auto lock screen to 30 seconds, 1 minute, 2 minutes, 3 minutes, 4 minutes, 5 minutes, and never. Here you can select any option. So this is the way to reduce screen brightness and auto lock in iPhone 16e. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.